Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening SongMaker and choosing instruments. This gets sounds right away. Pick tempo near 100 BPM to match Bluey's playful pacing, and set 4/4 time with a 16-beat loop so phrases breathe. Choose piano for a clear melody, add a mallet or synth for warm chords, and enable a simple drum kit for rhythm. Once done, lock the grid to 1/4 notes for initial sketching. This prevents tiny timing mistakes and speeds up iteration. You now craft the core melody. Start with a 2-bar motif and repeat it with small variations so the tune sticks. Layer a simple chord progression. Try IV Roman 6 Roman 4 or I Roman 4V to keep harmony bright and child-friendly. Then align chords to the melody's strong beats. Once done, tweak note velocities for dynamics and add occasional octave jumps or half-step passing tones to inject the playful energy Bluey needs. Make sure to listen in loops and trim notes. You finish by balancing levels so the melody sits on top. Raise it slightly and pull back chords and drums to prevent masking. Add a touch of reverb for space and a light EQ boost around 2.5 kHz to bring clarity. Once satisfied, normalize or export as WAV or MP3 and test playback on headphones and a phone because different devices reveal issues. If you hear latency or missing notes, refresh the page, reduce polyphony, or clear the browser cache to fix timing or sound drop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.